like you can do with your editing software. I want to be able to do that with this. But from what I found online, the only thing that you can do is like use this hack software program where you got to convert it to MP4. And for whatever reason, it's not working with the PC. So I noticed most of the guys who are doing the videos on how to convert it were using Apple's. So I was like, maybe that's the trick. Maybe that's the trick. Maybe I need a supercomputer to process it faster. Or maybe we just need a better internet connection at our house. Like business connection or super duper high speed. What's your favorite shops over here? Huh?
Disney.
Yeah?
I'd like to look at the Kinder Scott store, but I don't want to buy things.
What store?
Kinder Scott.
Where's that at?
It's past me.
Oh, why didn't you say something?
But I don't want to, because I want to buy something.
Why, just because she's famous, or she actually has like nice clothes?
Not just clothes, it's
Oh,
jewelry.
jewelry?